bukas veteran. So we had a full presentation. Witness. 4 hours and 30 minutes. Pero klaro yung evidence, kita yung videos, yung mga bukas ang cross-examination.
What can you say about all the motions na nire-raise kanina ng defense team na of course, kept on being denied by the side of?
Well, it's part of due process naman. Kanya-kanyang strategy dyan. So, they have their own strategy to propose motions. Kami naman, of course, we will have to comment. Kagaya ng motion ko kanina na issuance of subpoena for the Vice President because she was here.
Yeah.
She was here, and if she can be here in the morning, why can't she be here in the afternoon for the hearings? But it's her right, she's represented by counsel. So, mali ang nilalagay ng mga trolls, no? Huwag tayo mag-disinformation because we are seeing trolls saying na denied ang motion. Hindi po na-deny. Our motion was that we be allowed to subpoena her, that the court subpoenas her. And the court said, and Senator Judge said objection, etc. So, the ruling of the court, the presiding judge, Judge Cheese, was that premature. Let's wait for the filing of the subpoena, request for subpoena, and then both sides can file a memorandum. Because iba ang subpoena ng witness, iba ang subpoena ng accused. Because the accused has a right not to appear. Pero legal memorandum yan. So, sa pagkaintindi ng mga trolls at pinopost nila, denied. Wala pong denial yan. Just to clarify, presiding Senator Judge Cheese said, we will decide on whether to require the Vice President to appear when the appropriate subpoena is requested. And there can be legal memorandum on both sides.
Oh, you said nga you will reserve nga po yung right nila patawag po si Miss Sara. Kailan po ito?
We have 11 days for grave threats, so within the 11 days.
Ano po yung most appropriate time? During the last
Kasi one witness a day. One witness a day. Except that today, mahaba ang direct, so... Masita niyo siya, sabihan niyo na lang siya.
Ano pong dati kasi hindi nyo kino-consider siyang ipatawag as first-time witness eh. But ano pong nangyari? Ano yung decision ba?
Well, it seems that she's here. She's not abroad. She's not anywhere. There is no emergency. She can. It's just a day here as a witness, and she showed that she can come to the Senate by visiting the Senate today. So I don't think there is any obstacle for her to come when she is subpoenaed as a witness.
So when are you filing po? Does a request to something next week ba? Kasi
Basta on matter of procedure, ang sabi ng presiding judge, Cheese, is if we want to subpoena a witness, it has to be every Tuesday. So that, kasi 3 days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So any subpoena request should be on a Tuesday so that the court can act on it on a Wednesday. Abangan na lang which Tuesday or which Wednesday it is.
definitely not today.
Definitely not today.
Last na lang ma'am, may comment na ba kayo doon sa maiksing pahayag ni VP Sara no, na pinaraphrase pa niya yung invictus na will be blended?
Ah,
But out.
I will be blooded, but my head about. Ewan ko anong meaning nun, pero minemorize ko yun. Grade 2 na ako. Captain, my gusto nyo, i-recite ko pa ngayon eh. Na-memorize ko yun eh, Captain, my captain, ano. Parang hindi naman accurate. Hindi naman up, no? I will not comment. Maybe that's how she felt. But I thought it was inappropriate.
Why ma'am?
Well, I will not comment.
Thank you.
Captain, my captain na lang tayo. Hindi ba na-memorize yun kanya ng bata? Mali pa yung quotation na. Thank you guys. Thank you.